Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink sea moss gel. First, understand that sea moss gel is packed with essential nutrients, making it a great addition to your diet. To prepare it, simply blend raw sea moss with water until smooth. For consumption, begin with a small amount, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, to allow your body to adjust. One of the easiest ways to consume sea moss gel is by blending it into your morning smoothie. The fruit flavors will effectively mask its subtle taste. You can also stir a small amount, perhaps 1 teaspoon, into your coffee or tea. For a quick option, simply mix it with a glass of your favorite juice, ensuring it's well combined before drinking. Beyond beverages, sea moss gel can be a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. Try adding a spoonful to thicken your favorite soups or stews, enhancing their nutritional value without altering the flavor significantly. It also blends seamlessly into oatmeal or yogurt, providing a nutrient boost to your breakfast. You can even use it as a vegan egg substitute in some baking recipes. To keep your sea moss gel fresh, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will last for up to 3 weeks. For optimal benefits, consistently consume 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for meal prep, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy incorporating sea moss gel into your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.